Windows 11 25H2 Update Preview released. What's new? Microsoft has just rolled out the highly anticipated Windows 11 version 25H2 build 26200.5074 through the release preview channel, giving Windows insiders a first look at this year's annual feature update. And while the official general availability is scheduled for later in the year, users can already opt in via the Windows Update Seeker experience to test it early, making this release one of the most talked about previews of 2025. And there's a lot of exciting news packed into it. So let's break it down in detail. Start with the fact that Windows 11 version 25H2 comes as an enablement package also known as EKB, which means it uses the same servicing branch as version 24H2, allowing Microsoft to toggle on features without requiring a full reinstall of the operating system. This enables faster deployment, easier testing, and ensures monthly cumulative updates arrive seamlessly through the servicing channel, which is a massive convenience for both home and enterprise users. And Microsoft's continuous innovation pipeline ensures features keep landing consistently. Now, one of the key highlights of this update is that Microsoft has officially removed legacy components like PowerShell 2.0 and WMIC, signaling the company's complete transition toward modern management tools like PowerShell 7 and Windows Management Infrastructure APIs. This is a big step because it reflects Microsoft's long-term vision of leaving behind outdated components and focusing on performance, security, and modern management practices. IT administrators will also be very happy with a brand new feature that allows them to remove select pre-installed Microsoft Store apps via group policy or MDM CSP policies, meaning organizations can now streamline default app experiences and reduce bloatware in managed environments, which is an important win for businesses and education institutions. Visually, Windows 11 25H2 introduces some subtle but meaningful refinements to the user interface, including updates to the start menu and taskbar with smoother animations and improved drag-and-drop support, making multitasking feel more intuitive and polished. Kernel and scheduler optimizations have also been implemented, specifically aimed at reducing latency for foreground applications, which translates into better performance for daily users, content creators, and gamers alike. And this is where Microsoft has really doubled down on system efficiency. Commercial customers can also deploy this preview build across organizational devices via Windows Update for Business, Windows Server Update Services, or Azure Marketplace, which means testing and validation at scale has never been easier. Pre-release builds like this one can also be managed using Windows as a service deployment methods, making it straightforward for IT departments to plan rollouts in advance. Now, if you're a Windows insider, installing the preview is very simple. Just navigate to Settings, open Windows Update, and under Optional Updates, you'll find the Download and Install option for build 26200.5074. Once installed, your device remains enrolled in the release preview channel and will automatically continue receiving cumulative updates, which ensures you stay on the cutting edge of Windows development without having to worry about missing future enhancements. For those who prefer offline media installation, Microsoft has confirmed that ISO files for Windows 11 25H2 will be published next week on the official Windows Insider ISO download page, making it convenient for IT professionals who manage multiple devices or require clean installations. And if any issues arise during deployment or testing, organizations can directly open support cases through Microsoft Support for Business to ensure minimal downtime. Now, another important point to note is that commercial devices are defined as non-home editions, meaning enterprise, pro, and education SKUs that are managed by IT or joined to enterprise domains. And a continuous cycle of testing and feedback from the Windows Insider community plays a vital role in polishing the final release, ensuring stability and a smoother experience for everyone once Windows 11 version 25H2 hits general availability later this year. Microsoft is clearly positioning this release as a blend of incremental improvements and future readiness, bridging the gap between legacy deprecations and modern innovations with performance boosts, UI refinements, better enterprise control, and a faster delivery model through the enablement package system. Windows 11 25H2 is shaping up to be a milestone update that reflects Microsoft's evolving vision of Windows as a continually improving platform. So whether you're an IT admin planning enterprise deployments, A Windows insider eager to test the latest features, or just an everyday user excited about smoother animations, app removal controls, and enhanced performance. This preview release is worth checking out right now, because it not only shows us what's next for Windows, but also highlights how Microsoft is listening to its community and refining the operating system year after year. The journey of Windows 11 has always been about blending productivity, creativity, and performance into one package. And version 25H2 continues that mission with precision and focus. So keep your eyes open for the general availability later this year. And don't forget that every little tweak today is building toward the Windows experience of tomorrow. And that's what makes updates like 25H2 so exciting. Because they're not just about new features. They're about shaping the future of computing. And as always, we'll keep you updated with every detail right here on TechVerse.